y'all, so check it out. Gotta finish this whole side right here. Smooth it out and everything. Just gotta finish knocking these tabs off. And put some Bondo in those spots as well. This is how it used to look. That dirty blue. So we'll go ahead and put Bondo in. And hit this side, let the Bondo harden up while I'm doing that. Then go back over the top, smooth it out. That should be the last time I gotta put Bondo in. And go ahead and mix it up real quick. And go ahead and bring y'all on back. Alright, just got it done. Laying the fresh Bondo. Letting it seal out real quick. All the corners. Boom. Boom. And boom. So I'm gonna let that seal. Should be the last time I gotta put Bondo on the car. So now I'm gonna hit this side right here. Hit all this. Move it out. Get it off. So yeah. Looking nice and ugly. I'm getting real ugly. Gotta get it real ugly before it look good now. Gotta get it looking real ugly. Alright. Keep watching. So today is the last day, okay? The last day of me doing all the body work on the box Chevy. After this, that's it. You know what I'm saying? So once I get done doing everything today, pretty much gonna be ready for primer. So the only thing I got left to do, I gotta knock some tabs off the side and run some Bondo across that, smooth it down one more time. And then after that, that's it. It'll just be sitting away for primer. And yeah, that'll be it. So it's almost ready. All right, so this is what I got so far before I get started for the day. Everything's been smooth and sanded, except for these little tabs right here on both sides and the few on the back. But everything else is pretty much done. Smooth and sanded, every crease and corner, up top, down low, everything done. Yes, sir. So everything's done except for that. So this is how it sits right now. I got my emblems up here. This one came out pretty good, so I'm gonna put that back on. This one broke. I used to say Caprice Classic, but it just says Classic because the Caprice broke. But yeah, I found something to do with it. Yeah, this what I got right now. Gonna go ahead and get started. Gonna go ahead and grind these off. And I'll go ahead and bring y'all back. So I just got done knocking the tabs off. As you can see, all the way down the back and the other side. So now I'm gonna go ahead and make some Bondo, fill those imperfections, smooth it out, and then I'll bring y'all back. Alright, just laid the Bondo down. Just let it dry for a little bit, ran across the back end, down to the edge, and did the same thing on that side. So I'm just going ahead and let that do what it do, and go back over it, and should be smooth as glass. Oh yeah. Yeah, like I said, it's over. Body work is now all done. All the tabs gone, bondoed over, smoothed out. Other side, same way. Sprayed all the dust off the car for now. Get most of the dust out of here. So yeah, that's how it looks for now. And we're gonna see how it turned out after I lay that primer.